Want to know how to quickly scan a QR code on WhatsApp? Whether you're trying to log in into WhatsApp web or add a new contact, it's super easy and I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code on WhatsApp in just a few seconds. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any details. So first, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp app. Make sure you log in your account. Now, look at the top right corner and tap the three dots. A new window will pop up. Look at the settings and tap that. Once you're in the settings at the top, you will see your profile, and on the right side of it, you will see three boxes with dots. Tap that. After that, your QR code will pop up. If you want, you can screenshot it so you can show it to anyone who wants to add you on WhatsApp. But we're here for scanning a QR code, so you should look at the top right corner and tap on the scan code. This will open up your camera to scan a QR code. If you're trying to log into WhatsApp web on your computer, just point your phone's camera at the QR code on the computer screen. It should log in instantly. And that's it. Super easy, right? QR codes on WhatsApp make it so much faster to connect devices and add new contacts without typing out numbers. I'll see you in the next one.